Welcome to the testing demonstration of our double girder EOT crane equipped with an advanced anti-collision device manufactured by Mox Fabricators and Engineers. The crane is designed for heavy-duty material handling, offering high load capacity and smooth operation across industrial applications. Today, we are demonstrating one of its most important safety features, the anti-collision system. As you can see, the crane is in motion. The anti-collision device continuously monitors the distance between cranes or obstacles using sensors. Now, as the crane approaches another object, the system automatically detects the obstruction. At this point, the anti-collision device activates. It first gives a warning signal, and then gradually slows down the crane. If the minimum safety distance is reached, the system automatically stops the crane, preventing any collision or damage. At Mox Fabricators and Engineers, we are committed to delivering safe, efficient, and high-performance lifting solutions.